Good morning, students. Today we will start our next chapter, chapter 6, retirement of a partner. What is retirement? That means when the partner is retiring with his will or by the agreement. So here these are the three cases. A partner may retire from the firm if there is any agreement, if all the partners agree to his retirement, and if the partnership is at will, and the given written notice is given by the retiring partner to the remaining partners regarding his decision of retirement. So these are the cases where retirement can be taken by a partner. So in the partnership, in the retirement of a partner, the time of these adjustments will be taken, but now this is not in your syllabus for the year 2021. So first is determining the new profit sharing and gaining ratio. So when the one partner retires and the new profit sharing ratio among the remaining partner is not given, then what we have to do? Suppose, see the example, X, Y, Z are partners, ratio is 5:4:1, and these three cases are given. It is very simple. X retires, B case Y retires, and Z if Z retires. See how you will find out the new ratio. See the solution. 5:4:1 is given. When the X retires, the share of X will be excluded and the new ratio is 1/4, and when the Y retires, share of Y will be excluded, ratio is 5:1, and when the Z retires, share of Z will be excluded and the ratio is 5:4. So this is very easy. In this way we have to find out the ratio. So in the next part, when the remaining partners take profit sharing in the retiring partner in their agreed ratio. In this case, see the example, 5:3:2 is the ratio, B is retiring, and A and C will take the share in 2:1 ratio. At this point of time, 3/10, A out of B's shares 3/10. This is the share of B, multiply 2/3. Share of B multiply taken by the A, 2/3. This is 2/10. So the share will be taken, 2/10 will be added in the share of A, 5/10. In the same manner, share of C, share of B is 3/10, and the share of taken 1/3. 1/3 will be taken by C. So this is 1/10, and this will be added in the share of C. So in this way you can calculate the new profit sharing ratio. Thank you.